Alright, what is going on, guys? Spiteful back again, coming at you with the $30 multis, because it's 1,500 paid gems, $1,530. So, oh man. So we want Nefertiti. I actually wouldn't mind getting Ankh, to be honest, because it's, like, he's not bad, but it's like, screw it, whatever. I didn't get a download. So we're probably going to get Ankh, which kind of sucks, but, ooh, 3-in-1 multi, I'll gladly take that. If it's Nefertiti, that'd be best. Yes! Yes! Oh, thank God. Okay. She's getting wind sharded. I don't have many wind shards, unfortunately, because I'm a dummy and I wasted it on Balt. I wouldn't even say wasted it on Balt, to be honest, but I wanted to get him to level 80 at least. Alright, so the Mayfang, no real reaction from that. Like, she's farmable. I'm happy for it. It saves a lot of AP. But in the long run, in the grand scheme of things, it's like, okay, it's a farmable unit. Nothing too crazy. Gerald, give me more Gerald shards. Oh, Albea. Ooh, good. I need to farm her more. I've been slacking. I'm not gonna lie. I've been really, really slacking on Albea. Oh my God, yes. And we get 150 shards on that. To be honest, part of me wants to like continue on like something like this, like just so I can get a bunch of shards, but I feel like I need to relax, to be honest. Like, I think that's something that I've been, like, really severely not doing. It's like we're gonna be doing it anyways. Who gives a... No, I'm just kidding. No. So I'm sure some of you actually thought that I was gonna do it. I will... Nah, you know what? I'm not even gonna bother doing the paid gem to, summons tomorrow. As much as part of me wants to, I know that I need to save. And Orion is another Soul Whale banner that's coming out, and I kind of want him. There's just so much stuff to be had in this game that I think for now I'm just gonna be patient. You know, I'm gonna play it patiently. Hopefully, stuff falls into place just fine. Part of me wants to do this just so I can get her diviner job, but we'll see what's up. I might even just buy this bundle and hope that I get a wind. I don't know. We'll see what's up. But I'm gonna leave it at that. Y'all know this, guys. Grind on, catch up, hit me up, stay blessed. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Hopefully we can get our diviner job sometime soon, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.